In time of crisis, the wise build bridges, while the foolish person build barriers. What do I mean by this? When challenges strike, there are people who think they should cut off entrance to their life. There are people who think they should stop people from accessing them. They don't think both sides. And those are the fools. When the crisis comes, you don't concentrate on cutting people off, on stopping people, on creating barriers. But you need to create connection. You need to create alliance. You need allies in times of crisis. Those allies are the bridges for you to pass through, to defend yourself, to get what you want. So in the time of crisis, the wise people build bridges, while the foolish ones build barriers.